What's happening there?
This is the amount of drop of Ami's old seat post.
Okay, well you have big hands. Hey everyone, so Eduardo and I only post riding videos, but for today we thought we would share something on my dropper seat post. So back in December, January, this post was definitely giving me a lot of issues. The return was really slow. It was really hard to depress the seat. So Eduardo actually tried to rebuild it. It did not work out. We don't have the tools needed to service this, so we gave up and we decided to go with the PNW Rainier. We put it on in January, and within like a month, while we were on a ride actually, it started suddenly giving me issues. The return was really slow, and I told the guys, I told Eduardo, I'm like, what the heck is happening? And we opened it all up and discovered a couple things. So we actually had to reach out to PNW regarding this issue.
So the pins on the actuator here popped out. This pin popped out and was getting stuck, and you can actually see the wear.
How do we take this out?
Apparently it's really easy. It's just gotta undo. Oh, there it is.
Nice. So 2 screws came out?
2 screws came out.
All right.
Just hold it in place, hopefully. Oh,
nice.
that's it.
Here you go.
Cool. Yeah, just gotta find it.
All right.
Got it.
I'm worried.
Nah, you should be fine. Try it back in. I think. It really didn't take that much effort, so feels about right. Torque specs.
New cable.
Yeah, what about that? Yeah, chop. All right. So look at the housing. It's like all rusted.
Oh no.
Tipped. And this is already unraveling. Kind of see that.
Oops. Yeah, that's bad.
And that's why you change cables. Watch, it's gonna feel so much nicer. Ooh.
Ugh.
Back.
Which?
The bottom. I think it was the bottom one. The good thing about your bike though is that it has internal.
Dude, I don't know. Yeah.
Internal.
Are you seeing it? It's stuck.
Is it stuck?
Oh, but a little bit more. Nope.
Okay, hold on. I see it.
Okay, so literally all I did was I stuck my finger in the hole down here, and I just made sure that the cable was above my finger and redirected it upward, because otherwise it was just coming straight down and hitting the bottom of my frame. We're about to make that way more complicated than it needed to be.
Yeah.
Inserting the cable.
And this should just pop up.
Woo!
Just like that. Just like that. Well.
Oh my gosh, it's so hard.
I know, right?
Okay, let's just try. All right, cool. So you've got a few adjustments to make. I hope our replacement part works. Eduardo actually also has the same post too. Did you ever have issues?
No.
Sweet. We definitely still recommend PNW components. They shipped out this replacement part really fast. I mean, within a day or something. Yeah. Okay, guess that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Insertion.
You're so bad. You're worse than most dudes. You know that?